If you're looking for an easy, quick and hassle-free mango dessert, you are in the right place. This dessert is so refreshing and so delicious. You don't have to boil milk for hours and then chill it. This is just simple and quick. Let's make this together. We are going to start off with a pot of boiling water. Into that, we are going to add 2 cups of sabudana or sago. Make sure that you take enough water because sometimes when sabudana boils, the water gets thick. If you see that happening, you can just go ahead and add a little more hot water into the pot. Just boil the sabudana for 30 to 40 minutes or until you see that the sabudana turns transparent, also in the middle. Right now you can see that the middle is a little bit opaque, but it's going to turn completely transparent. After you drain off all the hot water, fill some water in room temperature into another bowl and into that add in the sabudana that has boiled. Can you see how nice and transparent they look? They are absolutely soft, but they will stick together just like glue if you don't place them in water until we are ready to use it. Next, we're going to take half a cup of warm whole milk in a bowl. Basically, take your milk out of the fridge, heat it up in the microwave for 20 seconds, and inside that add half a cup of milk powder. This is going to give that wonderful creaminess and deliciousness too to the recipe. I also added a pinch of Kesar or saffron. You could also use cardamom powder instead, or you could totally not use anything. And next add half a cup of fridge cold whole milk to this along with a pinch of salt. Next comes in the star of a dessert, which is mango puree. You can make a puree from fresh mangoes. I wish I got good fresh mangoes here, but I don't, so I'm using store-bought mango pulp. And based on how sweet the pulp is, you can add in sugar as needed. I'm adding only 1 tablespoon of sugar because this is absolutely sweet, this mango pulp. Next, we're going to add in the sabudana and mix it all up. And next, I chopped up some sweet mangoes that I could find. These are not as good as the ones in India. I miss them. I miss those mangoes, but they are still all right. And we are going to garnish with some slivered pistachios and slivered almonds, a little more saffron, and your dessert is ready.